Northeast Indiana has become one of the leading hubs in the entire nation with respect to manufacturing. The Career Academy offers two manufacturing-related programs, the welding program or the machine tool technology program, that prepares students either for entry-level positions upon high school graduation or for further study at the college level. From construction to biomedical to artwork, the Career Academy welding program can lead to a variety of careers upon high school graduation. Students can move right into the workforce or continue their welding education at a wide range of advanced welding schools across the nation. The Machine Tool Technology program, located on the campus of Ivy Tech State College, is for those students who want to use their mechanical aptitude in a field that requires precision work. Graduates of this program become machine shop operators, CNC machine operators, and mechanical engineers, where the current projections for job growth in this industry over the next decade are between 19 and 24%, where it is estimated that 100,000 new workers will be needed. Industry-recognized certifications and college credits are offered in both programs. Precision Machine Tool offers high school students one tuition-free year of college credits, as well as 7 National Incident Management Systems, or NIMS, certifications. Welding Technology offers 3 college credits from Ivy Tech State College and the American Welding Society, or AWS, certification. Consider becoming a part of the backbone of the American economy by using high school to lay the foundation for a rewarding career in the manufacturing industry.